I'm not gonna say this any more than I have to. Delegation. Delegation. My sales team just started last week, and it's been fucking amazing, right? We've had about maybe 20 to 25 phone calls. Key's been doing really well. Joe I'm about to have come on full time, hoping for that. But Key's already at like a 25% closing rate. And it's like, I don't have to take those phone calls anymore. Those days are over. The only calls I'm taking are the onboarding calls when the clients have already paid, they're ready to get started, they're enthused, they're fucking excited. Those are the calls I'm gonna be taking. Because at the end of the day, I can't take 20 phone calls a day. I'm cutting that out of my life. Also, I have my DM closer who's closing my course sales. So it's like, right now, if you're trying to scale, the only way you're gonna fucking scale is if you delegate and find people who are better or can take stuff off your plate that you just can't no longer do anymore. The difference between you going from 10, 20, 30K a month to 100, 150, and 200 is delegation. You have to fucking give up the baby. I know you've been growing it for so long and it's so special to you and you don't want to give it up because it means a lot to you. But if you do not give it up, you're going to be stuck doing everything on your own, which puts you in another rat race. You're not going to be able to scale. You're going to be spending all this time doing little fucking tasks that aren't moving the needle. It's time to move the needle this year. Delegate. Start trusting other people. Find people in your circle who are willing to help you out and open yourself up to opportunities. Talk to you guys soon.